Okay guys, are you ready? Step 4. Introduce the deliberation question. The question is hiding right under here. What I want you to do is on your handout 2, where you see deliberation question, you're going to go ahead and copy down the deliberation question. Right here on handout 2. Should our democracy allow schools to punish students for off-campus cyberbullying? Can you please copy the question down so that you have it right in front of you? And this is our deliberation question. It's written in the back of the room and in the front. We're going to move on to step 5. We're going to learn the reasons. But before we do that, you need to know if you're side A or side B. If you are side A, you are, well, let me go ahead and show you. If you're side A, you're saying yes to this deliberation question. If you're side B, you're going to say no. So what I'm going to do is come around and tell you who's side A and who's side B. Brian and Yuli, you're going to be side A. And Janet and Wesley, side B. So, kids, let's refocus. And Sherry, side A. Bridget and Chloe, you're going to be side B. So before we move on, let me just remind you, side A, do not talk to side B. Side A, you and your partner are identifying the most compelling reasons to support yes, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to write it on side A, okay? Please jot down your most compelling reasons here. And remember, side A, you're going to be presenting this back to side B. Side B, same thing. Do not talk to A yet. You and your partner are writing down your most compelling reasons on side B. What you're going to do is you're identifying the reasons right now. In step 6, you will have the opportunity to present them to the opposite side. And, oh, something else, don't forget, there's numbers on your paper, right, on your reading. So you might want to write down the number. Let's say you really like the argument on line 32. Go ahead and write 32 and paraphrase the compelling reason. That should help you when you present. So, just as a reminder, I need you to make sure that you have 3 compelling reasons. And think about who's going to say what, because everybody on the team has to speak, okay? Think about how you're divided up and which compelling reasons you're going to present to the other side.
Supreme Court has ruled, that schools can limit student speech, and it says right here.
Okay, time's up. We are done with step 5, and we're going to move on to step 6. Okay, class, step 6. Let's present the most compelling reason. We're going to first start off with side A. Side A, you're going to have 1.5 minutes to tell side B your 3 most compelling reasons. Side B, guess what you're doing? You're going to listen carefully, and you're going to be writing down notes on the other side. So when side A speaks, side B, you're taking notes on the side A column. Their 3 most compelling reasons.
If students know that cyberbullying has consequences, they will be less likely to commit cyberbullying.
Okay. Wait, what was the third one? And I paraphrases, we all have the freedom of expression in all forms, but we also have a responsibility towards that freedom of expression.
Okay, let's move on. Now side B, you will have 1.5 minutes to present back to side A. And side A, guess what you're doing? You're listening carefully and you're jotting down what side B is telling you, okay?
And the Supreme Court said that the school can limit speech if it interrupts, school can limit students' free speech if it interrupts other students' ability to learn. Okay. Or feel safe, right?
Yeah.
I think that's important. Does it
If
say
general security is compromised, I'm sure that they can punish them for that because it's making the kids insecure in school, even though it happened off campus.
Like you were saying, like to a certain extent, you guys have freedom, but shouldn't violate it. You guys have the right, like schools
The other one said that it doesn't help to punish students, but it helps to educate them.
Great job. You have successfully completed steps 1 through 6. We are getting ready to move to step 7. You're going to teach back. This is the opportunity for side B to present back to side A what they've taught you. You're going to have about a minute to do this, and then we're going to switch. Side B will be able to teach back to A, and then A will be able to teach back to B.
You guys told us that cyberbullying can increase anxiety, depression, and insomnia in students because how they're feeling towards those expressions that other students have.
Low self-esteem.
Yeah. Because the words, people get hurt by words a lot.
Schools should educate students about cyberbullying.
To prevent them from doing it because they know more about it. And they know what not to do, and they have their morals in place.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, but
Learning time.
also one of the reasons is like that it's a school interruption for there to be too much, dragging students out of class or creating too many assemblies.
Prevention before is better than punishment after.
Yeah.
A good job. We just completed step 7. Now we get to move on to step 8 and deliberate the question. Now, this is your opportunity to speak from your heart and your mind, and you need to drop your roles right now. And also, it's okay to tell me personal experiences or to pull evidence from the reading. It doesn't matter if you're from side A or side B. We're dropping the roles, and we're going to deliberate this question. So let's go ahead and reread this question to help us focus. Should our democracy allow schools to punish students for off-campus cyberbullying?
I agree with both, kind of.
That person bullying the other person.
That's where I say that I'm with you guys when you guys say no, because some people make up fake, false.
Yeah, but if we don't know who it is, how can we punish somebody?
That's what I'm telling you. That I'm with you on that.
Because what if you punish an innocent person? Then,
And it's a different person with a fake account. That's when I'm on your side. So that's why I'm like
that's
kind
why
of
I
on
think,
the side.
that's why I think they shouldn't punish people, because they really don't know 100% for sure that it's that person
Then
bullying.
what should they do to them? I mean, I think they should be punished, but then at the same time, no, because we're not 100% sure is that person that created that account.
I think they should educate them.
You guys did a great job deliberating the question. Let's go ahead and move on to step 9.